Hello, good morning everyone. Welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, we will discuss about implication, converse statement, inverse statement, and contrapositive statement. In this section, we will discuss about some derivations of conditional statement, that is converse statement, inverse statement, and contrapositive statement that can be made from a conditional statement. Before going to know this all, you please recall a conditional statement. We will know that a conditional statement is of the form P goes to Q. Example, if I went there, then Madhu came here. Here we are using the terms if then. If in a question there is if and in between there is then that is said to be a conditional statement. So we all can recall that this is a conditional statement. So these conditional statements can be converted into converse statement also, inverse statement also, contrapositive statement also. So in this video we will discuss about them only, that in the way which we can convert the conditional statement into converse statement, inverse statement, and contrapositive statement. So let us proceed. We first start from converse statement, and again we are taking that P goes to Q is a conditional statement we are given. Then a convert statement is denoted by Q goes to P. Example, suppose we are given the conditional statement as P goes to Q such that if Ram is a good boy, then Sita is a good girl. Suppose this is the conditional statement we are given. Then it converse will be Q goes to P, and here there are two statements, that is added by if and then. Ram is a good boy and Sita is a good girl. So these two statements can be converted into Q goes to P. So Sita is a good girl is coming before, and then Ram is a good boy which is P, so it going afterward. So what we getting, we are putting if and then only. If Sita is a good girl, then Ram is a good boy. So this is our converse statement. In this statement we are doing nothing, we are just exchanging P to Q and Q to P. We are just change their places, then it becomes a converse statement. I think you will come to know what is converse statement now. In the next part we will be discuss about inverse statement. What is inverse statement? Again we all saying that inverse statement is also a form of conditional statement. So here also we are taking a conditional statement, that is we are taking suppose P goes to Q is a conditional statement, then the inverse statement is given by negation P goes to negation Q. That means suppose you are given conditional statement P goes to Q, when you are making negation to both the statement P and Q, then it will be called an inverse statement. Suppose I am giving you example. When I am giving you example, you will understand better. We are again taking that P goes to Q, that is the conditional statement is here. P goes to Q such that if Ram is a good boy, then Sita is a good girl. This is the conditional statement. So here P is Ram is a good boy and Q is Sita is a good girl. So when we are making negation, what we get? Negation P will be getting Ram is not a good boy, and negation Q will be getting Sita is not a good girl. So we are making again conditional to this statement, negation P and negation Q. Then the inverse statement is given by if Ram is not a good boy, then Sita is not a good girl. You will see we are just making negation to the statement P and Q, and then it will be saying inverse statement, that is we are making by negation of a biconditional conditional statement. I think you all know about this statement, inverse statement. Now we will go for the next statement, which is contrapositive statement. See, contrapositive statement is also a form of conditional statement. Suppose we are again taking the conditional statement, that is P goes to Q, and the contrapositive statement will be negation of Q goes to negation P. It means when we are making converse of the inverse statement, see, in the inverse statement we are making negation of P and Q only, then it was become inverse statement. Now if we make negation P goes to negation Q to negation Q goes to negation P, suppose we are that means we are converging the negation statements, converging the inverse statement, then it will be called contrapositive. here P goes to Q is the conditional statement, so negation Q goes to negation P is the contrapositive statement. So you see the example, then it will be understand better. Suppose the conditional statement is given as P goes to Q such that if Ram is a good boy, then Sita is a good girl. Here P is Ram is a good boy and Q is Sita is a good girl. Then a contrapositive statement will be first there will be coming negation Q na. So negation Q is what? Sita is not a good girl, and that is if into then condition, if and then condition we have to put. So we are putting first if Sita is not a good girl, and then now what is negation P? That is Ram is not a good boy. So our overall statement is negation Q goes to negation P such that Sita is not a good girl, then Ram is not a good boy. So this is an example of contrapositive statement.